Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
रेनॉल्टची नवी कार कायगर लॉन्च झाली. ताळगाव शोरूमात फेब्रुवारीच्या दुसऱ्या सप्तकात डिस्प्ले जातली.
So today we have revealed the KIGER for you all on the digital platform. The vehicle basically would be available here with us maybe in the second week of Feb for display and the test drive. Pricing is yet to be released globally, I mean like pan India. The vehicle is going to be on the platform of a subcompact SUV, and it will be shortly available for display in our showroom. In terms of features, you will find the compact SUV with the entire modern features like Apple CarPlay. The entire vehicle has the digitalization wherein you can connect your phone to the car. You will have all the features that are there in the second level of SUVs in this compact SUV.